Hi friends, welcome back to another awesome video of Setswana se monate. My name is Kumo and I'm here with Moteo. Today we are going to speak about animals. Not any animals, domestic animals. And if you are just watching our videos, please subscribe and go and watch our other videos. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back to our channel.
Dumelang ditsala, leina la me ke Motheo, ke a le amogela mo Setswana se monate. Re rata go le itsise fela gore Labone o mong le o mong mo bekeng re tla be re uploada di-video tsa rona mo channeleng ya rona. Ditsala, gompieno re tlile go buisana ka diphologolo. E seng diphologolo hela, diphologolo tsa legae. A re simolole.
Goose,
Ganse,
cat,
katse,
cow,
kgomo,
hen,
koko,
pig,
kolobe,
rabbit,
mmutlwa,
rooster,
mokoko,
dog,
ntswa,
sheep,
nku,
duck,
pidipidi,
horse,
pitsi,
goat,
pudi,
donkey.
donkey. It's quiz time! Friends, let's see how many of the animals you actually remember in Setswana.
Katse, kgomo, kolobe, nku, pitsi, donkey.
And that's the end of our video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and look out for our videos every Thursday at 12. Bye friends!
Salang sentle ditsala.